Good morning. So today we are going to discuss about the CPCACA and IAEC. What is mean by the CPCACA and what is mean by the IAEC and what is their role in the experimental pharmacology? Now this is not a directly experiment, but it is a theoretical portion which we are going to discuss and which is a part of both of your theory as well as the practical experimentation, because you should know that what is the role of this CPCACA and IAEC and why we are going to discuss about this thing. Now, coming to the first, CPCACA. What is the full form of CPCACA? This is the Committee for the Purpose of Control and Supervision of Experiments on Animals. Now, this particular body, that means the Committee for the Purpose of Control and Supervision of Experiments on Animals, this is a statutory board committee or the body of India which is established under Chapter 4, Section 15A of Prevention and Cruelty Act, Cruelty to Animals Act 1960. Now, if you see that India is one of the pioneer countries to institute Prevention of Cruelty and Animal Act 1960, whereas such act was instituted in France in 1963 and USA 1966. That means India have recognized this problem much before than the other advanced countries uh, in the world. In previous time, there is a no such you can say that rules are there which can regulate the experimentation on the animal. As a result, what was happened, necessary or unnecessarily, a large number of animals were used into the experimental as an experimental animal. The people have not taken care of their safety, their you can say that handling, etc., etc. Even they have been used in the experimental experiments, different experiments, unnecessary, given the pain to the animals, and the animals have suffered a lot. Like you can say that, like including the bigger animals like monkeys and all, they have used widely throughout the world. But whenever we are required the animal, we should use them properly. We should use them for a better, you can say that, with the rules and regulation. We should use them so that we can show them as a humanitarian approaches to the animals. So this is very important. So this details rule on the experimentation on animal were first, it was enacted by the Ministry of Agriculture in 1968, were implemented by a committee set up under the section 15A of the that is the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act 1960. And based on the recommendation, the CPCACA, it was set up by the ministry on the 8th February 1991. So CPCACA was set up by the ministry on 8th February 1991. And then committee was subsequently reconstituted into the different times, like 1996 with the 15 members, one member secretary, and since then ministries reconstituted the CPCACs routinely, and then 2012 and 2019. So you can say that there is a continuous process of the reconstitution, and this particular committee is mainly regulating different experiment which is going on in the animal in for the research purpose or the education purpose. What is Institutional Animal Ethics Committee or the IAEC? Institutional Animal Ethics Committee is a local body approved by CPCACA which have been empowered to permit experiments on the small animals, although amendments in rules for the breeding and experiments on animals, it is the control and supervision. What does it mean? Now it is not possible the CPCSA to look every institute that what experiment is going on, whether the experiment is going on as per the rules and regulation or not. So, institutional ethical committee. What is the constitution of this institutional animal ethical committee that we are going to ethics committee that we are going to see later? But institutional animal ethics committee, whenever we are talking about that, they consist of the local members, that means the institute level members, and the external members, which is dominated by the CPCSE, and they looks towards the different experiments which is going on in the institution. They are giving the approval of the experimental animal, and mostly small animals. In case of the large animals, they are giving the recommendation and proposal directly sent to the CPCSA for allowance or not allowance. So this is about the CPCSA and IAC introduction. In the next part, what we are going to see, what is the function of these bodies, and you can say that what is the constitution of IAEC.